Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying your Binance account and enabling two-factor authentication for security. Once done, link a payment method, card or bank transfer, and deposit the amount you plan to commit. Now go to the Buy Crypto or Earn menu, where Binance lists recurring and auto-invest tools. Select the Auto Invest or Recurring Buy option to start creating a plan. You're doing this to dollar cost average and reduce timing risk, so pick realistic budget amounts and be ready to choose assets next. You now pick which coin or coins to purchase automatically. Prioritize core assets like Bitcoin or Ethereum if you want lower volatility. Then choose a cadence, daily, weekly, biweekly, or monthly, depending on how hands-off you want to be. Make sure to enter the exact purchase amount and confirm the linked payment method for each interval. If available, enable advanced options like purchase windows or minimum/maximum limits. This ensures purchases execute even when prices fluctuate and helps maintain discipline over emotional trading. You finish by reviewing the summary screen and confirming your subscription. Note the subscription ID or screenshot the confirmation. After activation, monitor the Auto Invest dashboard for executed purchases, balances, and next scheduled buys so you can adjust amounts or pause if priorities change. If a purchase fails, first check your account verification status, available balance, card or bank limits, and payment method validity. If problems persist, contact Binance support with your subscription ID. Most issues are resolved by fixing the payment method or clearing verification steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.